Get her to walk. This is Bella's newest method of walking. The umbrella method. Well, she could be walking by herself, but she requires that last little bit of reassurance. Hang on, let me pull that other way. Bella, can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah, hi. We just had a spray muta incident. She was drinking, and then spit some back up. Lovely. Today is Saturday. We just went to the market for a short visit. Went out for the bike. And now we had a cappuccino with some cake. She's walking fast, huh? Say hi. Here we can see down to the, oh, we can't see, to the towers at the end. There's the cafe where we had our snack. Somebody's sleeping. We didn't get a nap this morning. Ah, see? Yeah, good. Yeah. You did it, sweetheart.
Oh, tá sucio, aí tá sucio.
Oh, it's
tá
fine.
Push, push.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's go to the pasta lady. Say bye-bye. Bella, can you say bye-bye? Alright, so see, look, she's trying to say bye-bye. 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 Daddy's blocking her.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Not there.
So walk back this way, Link. Dun dun dun. There we go. Yeah. Say bye-bye.